How to get early access to Meta AI chat on WhatsApp. So if you want to get the early access to Meta AI chat on WhatsApp, then let's go with the process. WhatsApp is slowly rolling out Meta AI and Beta, an advanced conversational assistant, which can answer your questions, teach you something, or come up with new ideas. So let's see how to get this. So to begin, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. Once you've opened, you need to tap on new chat icon, which is on the bottom right of your screen. And here you will have an option of new AI chat. So you just need to simply tap on new AI chat and then tap on request early access, which is on the bottom of your screen. And it will take some time to load, and then tap on accept, which is on the bottom of your screen again. You will then see 28 AI with unique interests and personalities. Some are played by cultural icons and influencers, including Meta AI and many more. Tap the one with whom you want to chat. Now you can send any message related to him or her, and you can chat with them. So that's how you can get early access to Meta AI chat on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.